so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for your apple banana smoothie. Yes, apple banana smoothie. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment on my other videos. Share them with your friends and family, guys. Don't forget. And if you're not a subscriber, after finish watching this video, kindly subscribe to follow me for more recipes. Okay, remember to follow me on all social at Ann Booth. All right, so let's dive right into the main video. So I'm gonna make an apple banana smoothie. So I have 2 apples here, a ripe banana, a yogurt, it's yogurt, some milk, cube ice. I'm gonna get the cube ice and some cinnamon powder. All right, let me get the cinnamon sugar. Okay, I have my bullet, so let's get started. I'm gonna cut up these apples. So guys, I'm gonna be making I'm not going to peel the apple today. All right, I'm gonna just use the skin, but you can also peel them if you want to. You can peel the apple if you want to. Okay. All right. So this is the step-by-step apple banana smoothie. Okay. We remove the inside of the apple. Clear. I'm going to have to get a bigger bullet for more ingredients to hold in them. So it seems like I can only use 1.5 apple. You know that apple is kind of sweet and the banana is sweet, so here you go again, no sugar. This is one loaded smoothie. Try this up. So guys, I'm going to have to start blending in order to get space for the cube ice. So and there you have it, guys. Doesn't seem like I'm gonna use the ice at all. Not at all. Look at it. It did its thing. It was so full. Look at it, guys. Can you see it? Yes. And because of the apple skin, it gave it some little dots in it. Yes. So let me glass this for you now. It's my apple banana smoothie. Wow. Look at that. It is so creamy, so tasty. Yes guys, so go ahead and blend up those smoothie. If you have apple left over and you have banana that you're not using, that you're not eating, just go ahead and blend them up and make a smoothie. So easy, so tasty. And I just add the cinnamon sugar on top. So nice, so nice. So my recipe is consist of banana, 1 banana, 2 apple, 1.5 apple, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 yogurt, and some cinnamon sugar. As easy as that. And I have a smoothie ready for breakfast or lunch. Alright, so go ahead and try the smoothie. Banana is good for you. The apple is good. Vitamin C is needed in this season, yeah, cold season. So go ahead and whip up those fruits and make yourself a nice smoothie. Okay guys, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay guys, and remember to follow me on all social at Ann Apple Place or Ann Booth. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.